Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up into Shein's affiliate program, which means if you join into Shein's affiliate program, you can give anyone like your followers or like your friend the link. And if they buy the product using your link, you will get a certain portion of the, sales. It's not that much, it's like less than 1% or something like that. But if a lot of people buy the product, you will earn a lot of money, okay? So let me show you how you guys can do it. First, you want to search for Shein affiliate program. Once you search for Shein affiliate program, scroll a bit down and click on sign up publisher program over here. Once you click on it, it'll take you to Shein's affiliate program. Over here, you need to create yourself an account. So enter your first name over here and enter your last name over here. Choose the country you belong to, enter your email address over here. Once you enter your email address, create a password for yourself. Once you create a password again to confirm it, click on next. Once you do that, Shein's affiliate program account under this information will be created. Once your account under this information is created, choose the type of company you have. If you're individual, do that. So I'm going to name this account this, and it's going to ask you to enter your payment detail because if somebody buys a product, they need to send you the money. So whichever payment detail you enter over here, the money is going to be transferred to that account. Click on next. After you do that, your account will be set up. Once your account is set up, you can choose whichever product you want to sell. Once you choose the product, it's going to give you a link specific to that product and you can sell it. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.